So I received your question and I kind of zoomed in on the main part of it. This kind of, I call it a plug and chug, you want to put the numbers into this part, and that'll give you this answer. And put the numbers into this part, and that'll give you the answer to the other. You can see what's in the middle, same thing we have down here. And the only difference in these two parts, this one's a minus and this one's a plus. And that's the main two-part difference in the parts. You're given x sub 1 is 106,700. We're given x sub 2 here. And so let's see if I mark those. X sub 1 will go there. X sub 2 would go there. Okay, we're given those two values, x sub 1, x sub 2. You want to just subtract these two numbers. That gives you the part, this part here. And you don't subtract this off. And so n sub 1 and n sub 2 are given. N sub 1's 35, n sub 2's 42. They're going to go 35 and 42 will go here. This is sigma sub 1 squared, sigma sub 2 squared, and we're given those, I believe. Here's sigma sub 1. You want to square it and then divide by n sub 1. And here's sigma sub 2. You want to put it in here, square it, and divide it by n sub 2. If I draw there, so this number would go here. This number would go there. N sub 1 would go there. And sigma sub 1 would go there. I guess the only thing that you're actually not given is z sub c, and you're told it's a 95% confidence interval. And so, you can find it what you have in the past, I suppose. This is 95% here. So that leaves you, with 2.5 here and 2.5% here. And so, you would use this 2.5% here. You can find z sub c kind of like you have in the past. I'm not quite sure where your challenge is, but mainly it's just plugging in numbers and then calculating, and just be careful. Hope this helps.